Sharon Stone's heart belongs to Portugal. Join me in the video and I will let you know why. Filigree is an ornamental work made of very thin wires and teeny metal balls, soldered to form a design. The metal is usually gold or silver. The filigree is entirely handmade and demands from the goldsmiths the highest degree of patience, imagination, and skills. Sharon Stone was in Portugal in 2014 and she fell in love with the Viana's heart. She bought a large two faces Viana's heart and she was wearing it in Hollywood. Since then, wearing Viana's hearts and filigree earrings, necklaces or bracelets have become fashion. What we propose in our activities is to discover the whole filigree process, from the technique of the gold casting, the preparation of the wires, the joining of wires, visit the Filigree Museum or to do a workshop. In fact, if you are a hand talented, we can arrange for you a workshop in private with a local filigree artisan, so you can create your own jewels. Does it sound good? If yes, don't forget to visit our website. Go to our website, that is www.algarvenaturettours.com, and check all our tours, and if needed, just send us an email so we can prepare a full itinerary in Portugal for you. Have a lovely day!